Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving ownership and protecting data. You need the Tecno Spark in hand, the Google account used on the phone, and a charged battery. Once done, sign into your Google account from a browser or another phone so you can use account recovery tools. Make sure you have purchase proof and the SIM available because authorized support may request them. Do this now so you can follow legal reset options without wasting time or risking data loss. Once you've confirmed ownership, focus on official recovery channels. They protect you and others. You can use Google Account Recovery to regain access to the account tied to the phone. This often solves lock problems without wiping data. Next, use Find My Device to locate, lock, or erase the phone, but only if it is yours. Remote erase permanently deletes data and requires account credentials afterward. Also check Tecno/HiOS support pages for manufacturer-specific recovery steps and paperwork required for service. To finish, if you can access settings, back up important data, and use the built-in factory reset. This is the safest legal option when you control the account. If account recovery fails or the phone remains locked, contact Tecno Authorized Service with purchase proof and ID. Authorized technicians can help restore access lawfully. If you've lost Google account access, follow the recovery forms carefully and bring receipts to service. This troubleshooting step is the single most effective option when automated recovery won't work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.